Hi guys, I'm going to show you today how to find the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper in the night sky. If you look at our April star chart here, you can see that right in the center of it, this right here is the Big Dipper, and that is probably the most popular constellation in the Northern Hemisphere. It's very easily recognizable, and this time of year, it is directly above your head. It doesn't matter which way you're facing, just look up. And that point right above your head is called the zenith. Okay, so we're going to be looking to our zenith to find the Big Dipper. The Big Dipper is actually part of a larger constellation called Ursa Major, which means Big Bear. Okay, so we're going to find this one, and then after we've located this one, we are going to follow these two stars right here, which is kind of like the edge of the sauce pot. If this was like a cooking pot that you would make your macaroni and cheese in, we're going to use these two stars. We're going to go straight up above them, and you'll be able to see a bright star up here. That bright star is known commonly as the North Star, but its scientific name is Polaris. And that star is the handle of the Little Dipper right here. And those are common names. The scientific name for this constellation is Ursa Minor, or the Little Bear. So we'll go to my Stellarium and see if I can find this for you. All right, so if we just look back down at the horizon, try to zoom out so I can figure out where I'm at. Okay, so we've been looking over in the southwest sky, right? We've been looking up here to find Orion's belt, and we've located Betelgeuse, and we've used the star Betelgeuse to look up into the sky to find these two bright stars of the constellation Gemini. Now, it doesn't matter which direction we are facing, we're just going to look straight up into the air. Okay, so I'll do that, go straight up into the air. I'm going to take these cheat lines away, and you will see, and it'll look really big in the night sky this time of year. But you will see a kind of like a cooking pot right up here. And this is the Big Dipper. And again, it is part of this whole constellation, which is called Ursa Major. And if I connect the dots, you can see that this is the animal, the Big Bear. All right. We take these dots away, and we are going to we're going to use these two dots on the edge of the sauce pot here, and we are going to follow them straight up. Just line up these two right here, straight up. You're going to find a bright star called the North Star. Scientific name is Polaris, and that is the actual handle of the Little Dipper. The Little Dipper is right here, and it's not as bright. You're not going to be able to see it as well as the Big Dipper. These stars are a little bit dimmer right here. But if you can find Polaris and you're in an area that doesn't have any light pollution, or you're not next to city lights, you should be able to make out the little bear right here, Ursa Minor. I'll connect the lines so you can see. Here's Ursa Major, this whole constellation here. This is the Big Dipper. We follow these two stars up. You'll find Polaris and the Little Dipper right here. Okay, so look for those two stars in the night sky, and the next one that we will be looking for will be Taurus.